Hello everyone, in this simple video I'm going to show you how you can use Google Chat on mobile. So before that you can install it first on the Play Store or App Store, and after you install it you can open it and please log in with your Google account. But actually you can use Google Chat without installing the application. You just open the Gmail and select three lines in the top left corner and make sure to turn on the chat feature right here. Just click down and you can find the chat option and the spaces option. So here you can chat with someone. Just click on the search bar and search for the email address to start a conversation. So for example, let's click send. So here you can also create spaces, or you can join spaces that someone invite here. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.